Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz weekly icon settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Wizz and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.